Yoga unites all. A person cannot be fulfilled without yoga. Chief Minister Dr. Manik Saha said this while inaugurating the 67th National School Games 2023 competition on Thursday. For the first time in the state, the National School Sports Under-17 Yoga session is being held. Chief Minister Dr. Manik Saha inaugurated the 67th National School Games 2023 competition held at NSRCC Complex on Thursday. The contest will run until November 27. Other than Chief Minister Dr. Manik Saha, Sport Minister Tinku Roy, Sport Department Secretary, official gymnast Deepa Karmakar, School Games Federation officials were present.
My dear media friends, we are very happy that the 67 National School Games this year of 2023-24 is being held in Tripura, and from our Youth and Sports Department, they are being the host. And regarding this yoga, already our Honorable Minister has spoken a lot, and our respected the Secretary of Youth and Sports, he also said so many things. I would like to say some few points that we all know that our Honorable Prime Minister, when he appealed to all the General Assembly that this yoga should be carried out by all the peoples. Then recognizing this universal appeal on 11 December 2014, the United Nations proclaimed on 21st June as the International Day of Yoga. We everybody know it, and we celebrate on 21st June as the International Day of Yoga. Yoga in Bengali we say yoga. That means without yoga, a person cannot be a complete person. We have body, we have mind, we have intellect, we have soul. So the yoga unites all. That is called yoga. Who am I? Who are you? You can recognize by doing yoga. This is not merely an exercise. You have to recognize yourself. We always know underneath the lightning candle there is dark. But that candle gives light to the other areas. So until and unless we recognize ourselves, we cannot give our best to the society and the needy person. So we have to know ourselves. You know, in G20, Honorable Prime Minister said that Vasudhaiva Kutumbakam, one earth, one family and one future. So in that line, he also appealed to all the members of the United Nations to accept this yoga. So now almost all the countries they recognize, and that credit goes to our Honorable Prime Minister. He has convinced that the union of this mind, soul, body and intellect only possible by yoga.
Apart from Tripura, boys and girls from different states of the country came to participate in the yoga session. Reported by Pranav from Agartala, Chini, Khorang.